Keeping your undergarments organized is essential for both convenience and garment longevity. One practical approach is to use drawer dividers. These can segment your bras, panties, and socks into neat, accessible compartments. For bras, try hanging them up on a specialized hanger, which maintains their shape and makes them easy to find. Using storage bins or baskets placed inside your closet can also help keep your undergarments separated and easy to access. Another helpful tip is to roll your underwear instead of folding them. This not only saves space but also makes it easier to see what you have at a glance. Caring for your intimates properly is crucial for their durability. Always follow the care instructions on the label, which usually recommend hand washing with a gentle detergent over machine washing. If you must use a washing machine, place your delicate items in a mesh laundry bag to protect them from snagging and stretching. Avoid using high temperatures for washing and drying. Instead, opt for cold washes and air drying to maintain the elasticity of the fabric. Regularly check your bras for any signs of wear and tear, such as frayed straps or underwires poking through the fabric. These are indicators that a replacement might be necessary. As for knowing when to replace worn out or ill-fitting undergarments, pay attention to the signs. Bras should typically be replaced every 6 to 12 months, depending on how often they are worn and washed. Ill-fitting bras can cause discomfort and even health issues, so it's important to check the fit regularly. If you notice that the band is riding up your back, the cups are gaping, or the straps are digging into your shoulders, it's time for a new one. Underwear, though it may last longer, should be replaced when the elastic becomes loose, the fabric is worn thin, or any staining occurs. Keeping an eye on these details ensures that you are always comfortable and supported by your undergarments.